believe ya in your interpretation of what I'm breathing, believing in trying to manifest in this crazy mess under reality's dress without guiltiness. Cause I know you're there till I'm leaving, and there ain't no need for no grieving, and no time for no regrets neither. See it, do it, love it, don't leave it. Carry it around with you in little pieces. Your soul releases when chilling with your peeps and sharing your theory of the universe thesis that you didn't do for no class. At least that's not specifically asked. You gotta tell them like Jesus, it's all for the kingdom of God, in which we're just humble subjects regardless of features, various different conjurings of creatures, and all of us to that life live the leaders. Love the eloquence of a concept perceived, preceded only by a concept conceived. Love the eloquence of a concept perceived, preceded only by a concept conceived. We're pulling from the darkness of the netherworld, girl. I see ya, believe ya in your interpretation of what I'm breathing, believing in trying to manifest in this crazy mess under reality's dress without guiltiness. Cause I know you're there till I'm leaving.
Inhale the stream. Inhale the stream.